If you're looking for ways to make money online without any skills, then you're watching the right video. In today's video, I will reveal some secret way that allows you to generate money every single day. All you have to do is use this technique the right way, no matter where you are in the world. This will work all over the world, and this is absolutely free. This video might be life-changing for you. But disclaimer, not everyone can make money with it, because 99% of the people who are watching this video will skip some parts of the video without fully understanding the concept. So don't be the 99% of the people who don't make any money, so make sure you watch this video until the end. But before we start, welcome to my channel, where I teach you the most up-to-date making money online tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on and hit the like button, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment below what country you are in right now, because in that way, I will be able to create videos that work for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get started. In today's video, I will use a website called Fiverr.com. So you may be wondering what Fiverr is. Fiverr is a freelance marketplace. Freelance marketplace is a digital platform through which freelancers and businesses connect. It is a medium between freelancers and businesses. Businesses or companies visit freelance websites to hire freelancers for their projects on a contract basis. The freelancers are hired on a temporary basis as per requirement and get paid after the completion of the project. The company was built for temporary work. As a freelancer, you can sell a particular service for a set price, and Fiverr is the world's largest freelance marketplace. By using this website, you can make money. If you're a graphic designer, programmer, content writer, translator, or voiceover artist, you can make a huge amount of money. Many Fiverr freelancers make a side hustle cash, and some make a full-time living with the platform. On Fiverr, gigs sell from as little as $5 right up to hundreds of dollars, depending on the expertise of the seller. But the good news is that you don't need any skill or expertise, because I will reveal some awesome gig ideas that will get you going without any special skills. One of the easiest and simplest methods to make money online is publishing your skills and services on Fiverr, and then you can start making money online by providing your services as a freelancer. Today, I will show you 7 ways of making money online using Fiverr even if you have no skills. Stay tuned and follow up with me. The first gig idea for today is content ideas. Nowadays, those who have a blog or a YouTube channel must be publishing content, so that all those people need content ideas. And this is a time-consuming task. So go save your time and effort thinking and searching about content ideas. Now you may be thinking, how do I do this? You will use one simple tool to provide this awesome service that people really will love to buy your service, because you will save them a lot of time. If you search for content ideas on Fiverr, you will find so many gigs here, and they are getting orders every single day. Let's see how you can do this. You can do it with one tool, which is Portent.com. This is a 100% free content generator tool. As an example, if you type digital marketing and click on the Generate Idea button, this tool will give you a content idea. Now copy this title to your notepad and click on the See Another Title button. When you click on it, this tool will give you another content idea. Simply copy it again and paste it to your notepad. By using this method, you can generate unlimited content ideas and sell them on Fiverr. The service is really great. There are millions and millions of website owners who want content ideas and don't know about these tricks. So we can take advantage of this situation to provide this service on Fiverr. Let's move on to the second idea, which is book cover design service. Simply go to Canva.com, then search for a book cover. Click on the book cover here, and then you can simply go to templates, and you will see a lot of templates. You can click on whatever you like. You don't need to be a special designer. You can simply choose a book cover from here. Now change the title and the name here and provide it back to your client. You can see on Fiverr, this is a very demanding service. People from all over the world make a lot of money by selling this service, and you can do this too from today. Let's move on to the third idea, which is a website testing service. Business owners need feedback, because feedback is so valuable for them to make their product the best. So they need somebody to test their website. If you go on Fiverr and search website testing, you will see that a lot of people from all over the world are offering that service. They're getting orders and reviews, so we can consider it as a demanding service. When you get an order, they send you a link to their website. You go on it, check it out, and take some notes, what you like and what you don't like. After that, deliver it to your client. Let's move on to the fourth idea, which is providing an SEO report for any website. If you don't know what SEO is, then listen to it very carefully. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's a technique to optimize your website, so you can rank on any search engine like Google or Bing and get free organic traffic from search engines. If you go to Fiverr and search for SEO reports, you will find a lot of SEO report services. This report shows blog owners what's wrong with their websites and helps them rank on search engines. Now, you can provide this service without any technical knowledge. Simply go to sonalyzer.me, I enter any website domain and click on the review button. Now this website will run and do everything for you. You don't need to worry about anything. After a few seconds, you can see that this website gives us a detailed report about everything and tells us what's wrong with the website. Now click on the download report button and send your client this report and provide this service. This is 100% free and you don't need to register or enter any email. You can publish the service as a gig on Fiverr, and when someone asks you for this service, you ask him about his website and enter it here. Then download the report and send it to your client who requested the service. Now let's move on to the fifth idea, which is called Better Reader. If you search Better Readers here, you will find so many gigs. Here you can see this person is making $125 to read people's books and tell them their opinion of the book. Here you can see all of the reviews this person has. Now you may be wondering what Better Reading is. Better Reader is someone who reads a book manuscript with an eye towards providing feedback for the author. Though Better Readers are not editors or professional critics, they can play an important role in helping the author improve the work by pointing out errors, plot holes, inconsistencies, or unclear passages. Don't worry, you don't need any experience for it. You can start this from today like those people. Our next idea is called blog commenting. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what country you are in right now, so that I can create the right video for you. Now let's get started. By commenting on others' blogs will help blog owners to get more backlinks and increase the authority and the rank of their website, so that blog owner buys this service from Fiverr. If you go here to Fiverr and search for blog comments, you will find a lot of people are selling this service. You can provide this service on Fiverr by commenting on others' blogs. All you have to do is go to any blog post by searching on Google, and then go down and comment on this blog. Then send a screenshot or blog link to your client as proof. Now let's move on to the seventh idea, which is providing a service to remove image backgrounds. Don't worry. If you want to provide this service, you don't have to be a Photoshop expert or an expert graphic designer. I will show you now how we can remove the background of any image in a few minutes. If we go to Fiverr, you can see there are a lot of gigs that provide this service. If you want to provide this service, simply go to remove.be. This is an awesome website for removing background images. You can see here this tool is 100% automatically and free. All you have to do is upload a photo from your computer or phone. After waiting for a few seconds, you will get your photo without a background. This is the power of this website. You can remove the background from the photo in seconds without doing anything. Now download this image by clicking the download button and sending it to your client. By using this method, you can provide a background removing service on Fiverr easily. I think these 7 ways with no skills you can start working today on Fiverr and be able to make money online. That's it for today's video. If you want more methods like this, subscribe to this channel now.